Hi guys, I'm going to do a real quick video. This is through Screencastify. It's going to ask you some questions and you need to answer the questions, and that's how you get your grade. If I go too fast, you just need to pause and slow down the video. Okay, so let's do the first problem. I want to do purple. The seventh grade class held an end of the year dance. 300 students, 246 went. What is the percent? Well, we've already learned you do percent over 100 equals part over whole. You're looking for the percent. So if you're looking for the percent, that's going to be our x over 100. And then our part, 246 out of 300. 246 out of 300. So then you just cross multiply. 300x equals 24600. I got that from cross multiplying. And I divide by 300. It's out. Divide by 300. The zeros cancel. That cancels. And so x goes into 24 8 times and into 6 2 times. So my answer would be 82% of the kids went. Okay, let's look at that was number 1. Let's look at number 2. I want you to do number 2. You have your percent. What does that go over? And what is it you're looking for? Okay, how did you do? I hope you did a good job. Now let's go down to number 3. If 480 movie tickets were sold on Saturday, how many were child's tickets? Well, I know the percent of the child's tickets, and that's 15%. So remember, it's always percent over 100 equals part over whole. Okay, so my percent, 15 over 100 equals part, that's what we want to know, how many over 480. So then I'm just going to cross multiply. So I have 100x equals, and I can do this down at the bottom here, 8. I'm going to take the 0 away right now. We'll just kind of put it over there at the side. Times 15, we have 40, 24, 0, 8, 4, and then 0, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we have to add that other 0 back on. So we have 7,200 divided by 100, divided by 100, and that leaves us with 72. Okay, I want you to do number 4. And what I'm going to do is just kind of help you set it up. It wants to know the percent. So if I want to know the percent, I'm going to be x over 100. But then in order to be able to do the part over the whole, I need to know the whole. So I need to add these together. 4, 5, 6, and then 3, 4, 5, 6. So wait, 4, 5, 6, and then 9, 96. 96 is going to be my whole. And so now I can find out, or it wants to know the percent of the potatoes. So I'm going to take the potatoes and put it here. So I'm going to let you figure that out, but I helped you get it started by knowing that you needed to get that total. Okay, how did you do? Okay, now let's look at this last one that we're going to do together, number 5. And we're going to use this table. Jed owns a music store and he took inventory. But now he needs to find out some information to do with the inventory. Now we're not going to do B. So I'm going to just work on number A so we can use this area down here. We're going to find the percent. So we know it's going to be X over 100, but we're going to find the percent of each one of these instruments. Again, you need to know the total. So when I add those up, I get 500. Okay? So what is my percent of string instruments? So I'm going to go 65 is my part over the 500. So then I have 500x equals 6,500. Divide by 500. Divide by 500. So you take those out, and 5 goes into 65 13 times. So 13% is string instruments. Now I want you to find out how many are percussion, what percent is wind, what percent is brass. Okay? So that's what you're going to do for the ending. I hope you do a great job.